Introducing the NUOVAGLO, Hollywood's secret to whiter teeth.
This 24-karat anti-aging retinol face cream contains gold for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits and over 2.5% active retinol proven to renew, restore, and revitalize your skin.
Wait, it says bee venom.
I know, that's because it feels like a bee. It tingles and it smells delicious. This is the 24-karat Bee Venom Serum, which is basically, oh, it's nature's Botox.
It
Isn't
smells
that nice?
real
Hold on.
good.
Oh, look at that, Kelly.
Yeah.
That will not, that
You
will
look
not.
so young.
No, I do look young, but my forehead's moving, which means I need Botox. It cosmetically fools the skin into thinking it has been stung.
Or it could be
So your body directs blood to that area. It stimulates the production of collagen and elastin. And doesn't it smell good?
It smells really
I feel
good.
it working right now. Watch, Kelly. Look, watch. It doesn't.
Not kidding. It smells and feels really good.
Can I just tell you something?
How much are you going to use?
No, because this face has been beaten up. This face is tired. I'm going to be here all week. I'm going to take the years off.
Do it.
That's nice.
All right. Well, as always, thank you so much for all
Look
the
at
deals.
how good I look.
You look so
Smell
good and shiny.
I look good.
Unlock your Hollywood smile and join over 100,000 whiter smiles. Shop now and unlock your brighter smile.